Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation. So today I'm showing you guys LAX here. As you guys can see, I have the Delta Terminal 3. Tarmac Designs Indiana created that for me. And I have the complete T-bit coming within the next week here, which is going to be absolutely amazing. And this does extend to a third layout too, which is right under here. But kind of what I'm doing right now is I just got this backdrop here of the Southern California mountains here, and have the west gates from layover layouts here, and you guys can kind of see what's going down here. So basically behind here I'm also going to put like the Qantas hangar and stuff, and I'm probably going to do the update that way. I should have the west gates from Custom Airports Australia. They are making that for me. And so basically T-bit should be here in a week, and then about 2 weeks I should have the west gates. So yeah, that's gonna, obviously you guys can picture how cool that's gonna look. So yeah, we've come a long way in the LAX progress here. Obviously this layout should be on the right side over there, but I can turn this completely and I can have all these layouts together and display the complete T-bit on here, which is what I will do. But in order to do the west gates and kind of pull it and do the other terminals too on down, I have to do it sideways like this kind of. So pretty cool, guys. Stay tuned for more. I do have parking garages coming in their entirety of LAX soon as well, so stay tuned for that. I finally went with it and got the kind of the layout, because I had the cards before from No Point Airport, but I went and just got the vinyl layout finally of this LAX. So hopefully this will like last forever, because the cards are really cool, but unfortunately they do not, the cards do not hold up too well, and this holds up obviously a lot more because it's more of like a layout. So highly recommend getting the layouts, the vinyl printed layouts from No Point Airport. Really cool, guys. But yeah, very excited for this terminal to come, so stay tuned for that. Also, I'll be getting an updated terminal of the American Terminal 4. So stay tuned, guys. A lot coming in the near future here. From Model Airport Nation to you guys, happy collecting.